Hey guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Sophie. Today I've got a really cute haul. I've got a little haul from Sweetie Nail Supplies. Sorry if you can hear wind, by the way. We have such high winds today, it's ridiculous. So if you can hear that, I apologise, but there's nothing I can really do about it. But yeah, let's get on into this haul. It's a really cute little haul that I made and I'm excited to unbox it. So I've already opened the seal just for easiness, just so you guys don't see my address basically. So let me just tip everything out. Sweetie Nail Supplies always package everything really well, which is really nice because it does come from, I think, Canada, which is a little way from me. I'm from the UK, so that's always nice. Everything seems to get to me nice and safe. So I have 3 items. Ew, let me go away. That's the issue of having a silicone mat. Everything sticks to it. So yeah, I have 3 items. So let me just zoom in for close-ups. And we are going to swatch all of the colours as well. So let me start with this little one. So this is the yogurt gel So Delicious. And this is MG17, and you can see it's like a minty green colour. So this is a cat eye magnetic gel, which is exciting. So let me just give it a little stir. I always find when I open a cat eye magnetic gel, it always looks so dull in comparison to obviously the photos you see online. Now obviously they could be using like flash and things like that, but I always want that bright, intense vividness. So hopefully when we swatch that we'll be able to see it. And then I also got the Jello Killing Base Gel, and the packaging is actually really pretty. And this is for nail tip extensions, which is fun because I want to get into extensions. I thought it'd be nice. I've got like solid nail tip gel, you know, where it's like a squeezy tube, and then I thought it'd be fun to try a more paint formula just to see if it's easier. So obviously, as you'd expect, this is quite thick because it is nail glue gel, so it's going to hold the nail tip in place basically. So I'm excited to use this. I am still waiting for the nail tips to arrive. I've got all the glues, just not the nail tips, which is annoying, but you know, that's just ordering online, I suppose. So I've currently got the Jello Killing Base Gel, and then I've also got the Born Pretty Solid Nail Tips Gel. So it'll just be fun to see which one works best for me, because obviously everyone's different, everyone's got preferences and things like that. And then the most exciting thing I got was this from Yogurt Nail Colour, and it's actually a little set. It was on sale when I purchased it. I think it still is actually. It was around £50, and it's 6 colours and they're all glitters, different glitters. And it was called Princess Maker, and the packaging is so adorable and it just really called to me, so I bought it. Let me just open it up for you guys. Again, I always appreciate how everything is always wrapped dead well, because you want to make sure your packages get to you nice and safe. So yeah, this packaging is so pretty. So it just slides out like that. Look, it's got like a little cut out heart in it. That's so adorable. And then if we open the top, we should see all of our colours, which is fun. Let me take them all out for you guys. So there's Lala, Queen Card, there we go, Juju, Pinky, and then the last 2 in the box are Mimi and Velvy. So it looks like we've got 1 pink, 1 blue, and then 4 different kind of white glitters, and they are all different. They're like different thickness and different colours and things like that. So let's just open them up. Oh, it also came with this cute little swatch card, which I'm not going to use just because I don't have the swatch stamp token things, but I will swatch all the colours out on nail sticks, which is good for me anyway, because I like all my swatch sticks to be together, and if they're on a nail stick, obviously they're all on a wheel, so it's nice and easy. So let's start with the white ones, just because there's most of them. So this is Mimi, which has a little snowflake. I like how each one has like a little different thing on it. So this is a very fine, I can't tell if it's white or silver, but it's a very fine glitter. And then we have Lala, which looks like it's got a little star on the top. And oh, this one is pretty. So again, this is a holographic glitter. It looks clear, it's just holographic, iridescent. That's really pretty. So even though like it looks like you're getting 4 whites, I mean they're all very different. So Queen card, it's just a nice set to get, I guess, if you're trying to build up your glitters, because I don't have many glitter toppers, so that was fun. Oh, okay, so this one is really thick. So this is Queen card, and it's kind of in between Lala and Mimi on thickness scale. Lala's really thick, Mimi's really fine, and this one is also iridescent. I feel like I'll use that one a lot for like a topper. Because yeah, sometimes it's nice just adding like glitter toppers to your colours just to make them a bit more interesting. So since it was on sale, that's why I picked up this colour. Oh, and then this one's actually similar, but it's got a pink reflect. The other one had blue. Oh my goodness, can you hear that wind? Like literally outside there's just trash blown everywhere. It was the bin collection day last night, well today, so everyone put their bins out and there's just rubbish everywhere. I need to go on my lawn and pick up some bits because we're like a corner plot, so any rubbish always collects on our lawn, unfortunately. So this is Pinky, and I'm actually really excited for this one. So this again, it's similar to Juju, but it's got a slightly pink jelly base, which is really nice because I love pink polishes. And I'm also really excited for the final one, which is Veli. Basically, I'm excited for them all. Cute little butterfly, that is adorable. And then let's open it up. And again, basically the same formula as Pinky, but it's got more of a blue base. So I love them. They are lovely. I'm really happy I got them. And it was on sale, which is great. And if you do use someone's discount code on top of it as well, you get the item on sale plus the discount, which is good. I don't have a discount code because I'm only a small YouTuber. But I think I used Anne Elizabeth's discount code for 10% off and it worked fine. So if you're happy using discount codes, definitely search for a nail person you support and use their code because it's always nice saving money. So yeah, let me swatch these colours because I'm really excited to see what they look like. I'm going to start with the magnetic gel just because it's the only magnetic colour I got. So let's just do that. Oh, bear with me. Oh no, I do have a magnet. Right, so I'm going to do one coat and then on the second coat I'm going to do the magnet effect. I'm not very good with using magnet gels, so if anyone has any tips and tricks to really get that bold magnetic effect, let me know, because every single time I try to do a magnet effect it basically turns out different and I don't know why. Obviously I do know why, it's because I don't know how to do it, but I would like to know how to do it properly, basically. So yeah, I got this because it was like a nice green colour and I don't have many greens. So I thought that would be fun to get. So let me just put that under a lamp. So yeah, so basically my nails, they are a magnetic gel. And I did them last night. They literally took me hours. And it's only just a plain colour. And these are the Yogurt Nails magnet beads, something like that. And it's the pinky one. But I used a magnet on them. And on some of them, you can see the magnet great, but then on others, like this one, you can barely see it, so it just confused me. So if anyone has any tips on how to use the magnetic gel, please let me know, because I am rubbish. Yeah, I just wanted some really basic nails that were pretty, so I just decided to use a nice bright glittery magnetic pink. It was my first time using a magnet gel on a full set, so don't be too mean. I tried. Okay guys, so I just painted the second coat, so let's see. I see people going like side to side. Maybe at the top. I can definitely see something happening. So let's cure that and see how it turns out. And then whilst that's curing, let's just move on to the glitter gels. So again, I'm just going to do 2 coats of the glitter gels. And these are magnets, so I don't have to faff with a magnet, which is great because, like I say, I'm still learning. So let me start with Mimi, which is the fine one. And I feel like this one especially is going to be hard to see because I'm just painting it on a clear nail. But I'll insert a video at the end with flash on so we can see, because a lot of these glitters are iridescent. So we'll be able to see the iridescent qualities, and we'll also be able to see the true colour. But like I say, these are more toppers, so there's not going to be much colour to them minus pinky and velvety. So yeah, let's just speed through this swatching process. Oh my goodness guys, so I'm so happy I picked up this set. I kind of bought it on a whim because I needed some glitters and this was on sale, and I like yogurt gelnails, so I thought I'd give it a try. This is the Princess Maker set, like I mentioned. You get so many different finishes, like different colour of iridescence, different fineness, chunkiness. They're just really beautiful and they're all different, which is amazing. So we have Mimi, Lala, Queen Card, Juju, Pinky and Veli. And then this one is the magnetic gel, So Delicious yogurt gel, and it's MG17, which again is really pretty as well. But these glitters just steal the show for me. They are a thicker formula because they're so jam-packed with glitter. So these are going to be amazing as like toppers for like gel colours and things. Like, can you imagine this pinky on top of this colour? Like, maybe that's too much glitter, but I would love it. That's definitely my vibe. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm gonna include a little video of flash just so we can see the magnetic effect and all the iridescence goodness of all the glitters basically. But as always guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give a like and subscribe, and even leave me a comment if you like. I always like reading comments and responding. That's always fun. And let me know, is there any sets that I could do with these glitters that come to mind that inspire you? I need some inspiration. I literally did these last night and I want to do my nails again. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to add that little flash video so you can see, and I'll catch everyone in the next video.